Hello, dear followers. Today we're showing you how to make two different shapes of brioche in an easy and delicious way. You'll enjoy making light and tasty brioche, perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new recipes. Give a like if you enjoy the recipe. Let's get started. In a bowl, we add a cup of milk, a cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, a packet of vanilla, a packet of instant yeast, half a cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. We gradually add flour until we get a soft and cohesive dough. Let the dough rise until it doubles in size. Next, grease the baking tray with oil. Cut the dough into equal pieces and place them on the tray, leaving some space between each piece. Let them rise again for about 30 minutes. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français, et en anglais. After rising, brush them with milk and sprinkle sugar and sesame seeds on top. Then bake them in the oven at 180 degrees until they turn golden brown. After baking, brush them with butter if desired. For the first shape, make a hole in the middle and fill it with melted chocolate as shown in the video. Always preheat your oven before baking pastries. A properly preheated oven ensures even baking and helps pastries rise to their full potential. 8. Line baking sheets. To prevent sticking and ensure easy cleanup, line your baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats before placing your pastries on them. 9. Egg wash for shine. For a beautiful golden brown finish, brush your pastries with an egg wash before baking. This simple step adds shine and enhances the visual appeal of your creations. 10. Patience is key. Allow your pastries to cool completely before serving. This allows the flavors to develop fully and prevents them from becoming soggy. For the second shape, fill the dough with cheese and roll it into small balls. Place the balls in a baking tray lined with parchment paper with a plate in the center to help form a ring shape. Arrange the balls one by one until the dough is finished, then let them rise until doubled in size. After rising, brush them with milk and sprinkle with sugar and sesame seeds or any seeds you prefer. Then bake until golden. Serve with tea or coffee. I hope you like the recipe. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them below the video. And if you enjoyed the recipe, write "Thank you" just for encouragement.